Nice fish. Do you want the net?
Yeah, I might, mate. I've only got him by like the skin.
Dave?
I'll get you to get a shot of this one, Charlie, too, Dave, if you don't mind.
So Rod, how many barra you reckon you caught today?
Mate, I don't want to brag, but I reckon I've probably caught more than 30 fish in that little corner there.
Yeah?
They just keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Go quiet for a little bit, and then you put cast in, another one will grab it, you know. And this is probably, even after catching 30 fish, this is probably the biggest one.
Yeah, he's not a bad barra.
Angry little fellas, aren't they? I've got to get this lure out of the net without shaking a bit. Oh, that's a beautiful little barra.
Yeah, nice fish. Well, I mean, this is July in the top end, and you know, there's this, we heard it last night around the dinner table, that people have this notion that the middle of the year, because it's cooler, the fishing's no good for barramundi. And here at the Arnhemland Barramundi Nature Lodge, that's not the case at all. It's all about tides, it's all about experienced guides, it's all about remote locations. And today's just the perfect example of that. Water temperature down around 24 degrees centigrade, and yet the fish are biting their heads off. Almost a fish cast for a while there.
Just about, mate. It's fantastic. So I'll put this one back now. After we get a quick snap.